Alright, so what we have here is the Dynavin HVAC relocation bracket with USB for the BMW E46. I got this off of Amazon for around 70 bucks. There is a cheaper variation that I did see online for about 50 bucks, but it doesn't come with the two USBs, as well as the reviews are kind of mixed on it. The reviews are kind of mixed on this as well. I've been hesitant to go and buy this just because, you know, I didn't want like a bad product, but I went ahead and bought this, and you know, let's go and get this unboxed. All right, so it's a pretty nice box. You know, you open it, pretty standard. Thank you for your purchase, nice. As well as some instructions, BMW E46 HVAC relocation bracket installation guide. So essentially, these USBs that are located on the bottom of the bracket will connect into the back of the double DIN radio. I'll go ahead and show you guys that as well. It comes with some USBs. Seem fairly good product. Like, seems to be seems to be good quality for these USBs. You know, pretty typical. This is for the cigarette lighter, as well as your second USB. Let's get into the actual product now. Not much in the box. Actual product is pretty decent. I did open this up. Looks like this. There's going to be these two clips right here that will be your attachment point for this product. There's two screws that come off of the original HVAC unit. It's pretty good quality. I won't say that's the thickest plastic. It's pretty good. It's not too thin, not too thick. I wouldn't say it's comparable to the OEM quality, but it's a good quality product.